Square makes payment processing quick, easy, and secure for your business. And with Gravity Forms and Square, you'll find all the tools you need to easily accept online payments, helping to provide your customers with a first-class user experience while increasing your revenue. To get started, head to the Gravity Forms add-ons browser within your WordPress admin dashboard to install and activate the Square add-on. Next, head to the Gravity Forms settings page and select Square. Then, specify the environment you want to send your forms to, either Live or Sandbox. Choosing Live will send transactions to your Live/Production Square account and will allow you to initiate real charges. Sandbox will pass the form entry into your Square Sandbox environment, which will not generate any real transactions, but is a great option if you want to test the process before going live. Once you've selected your environment, you can use the Connect with Square button to sync Gravity Forms with Square. If you don't have a Square account, you can create one for free using the link in the description of this video. Please note that your Gravity Forms currency settings must match the currency settings in your Square account, or you will get an error when attempting to connect with Square. Once you've synced Gravity Forms with Square, save your settings, navigate to the form you would like to use to collect payments, and open the form editor. Under the Pricing Fields category, select the Square field and add it to your form, then save your changes. Next, you'll need to set up a feed to configure the data that is sent from this form to Square. Head to the settings page for your form and select Square. Then, click the Add New button to create a new feed. Give the feed an appropriate name and select the transaction type, either products and services or subscription. For this video, I'm going to use the products and services transaction type. However, for a detailed guide on taking subscriptions with Square, check out our blog article, linked in the description of this video. Under the Products and Services settings, map the payment amount field to the corresponding field on your form. You can use the Authorize Only checkbox if you'd like to only authorize payments when a user submits this form. You will then be able to capture the payment at a later stage by clicking the Capture Payment button from the Entry Details page. Next, under Other Settings, map the Square fields to their appropriate form fields. You can then enable conditional logic so that this feed is only processed when specific conditions are met. For instance, if you want to use a separate feed if the user chooses overnight shipping, you can use conditional logic to route your feeds accordingly. When you're done configuring your feed, save your settings and you will be all set. You're now ready to start collecting payments with Gravity Forms and Square. For more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to ring the bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching.